Climate change, poverty, or the loss of natural resources are complex problems where researchers from many disciplines need to co-create systemic solutions. So you can consider us as an icebreaker. We help connecting different disciplines by encouraging energy researchers to work with business scholars or chemists with designers. We are an icebreaker in another sense too. For academic knowledge to be useful, we help our researchers interact with the society by facilitating events, living labs, or experimental projects.
In education, our aim is to have all Aalto students to learn about sustainability. Working together with the teachers of obligatory bachelor courses, we try to find the best ways to connect sustainability into their fields. We already have several specialized courses and even dedicated master programs. However, the biggest challenge is to get the non-interested to learn about sustainability as well.
Aalto University is committed to UN's Sustainable Development Goals. Our Living Lab projects, like the campus gardening area, offer inspirational test beds. The use of renewable energy is being increased in Löyttyniemi.
When students and researchers collaborate with the industry, in best case, this leads to startups with world-changing innovations.
Nanomaji is a product development company we started while studying in Aalto. Nano refers to our filtration technology and Maji means water in Swahili. We are developing a low-cost water purification device for sub-Saharan Africa. Nanomaji is designed to substitute boiling as a water purification method. Boiling with charcoal causes a lot of emissions and significant deforestation.
Creative Sustainability Master's Program came about with the Aalto University merger in 2010. Since that time, we have been educating students across the globe to tackle sustainability problems with the help of different disciplines and different forms of expertise. Sustainability Hub is a great resource for academic work at Aalto University. It is incredibly empowering to have like-minded and committed people with different backgrounds. This is interdisciplinarity, not forced, but out of real interest and real commitment.
Together, we can make the world a better place.